Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a blown out tire from a rim. As you can see here, when a tire blows out, removing the remaining tire bead can be tricky. It tends to slip when using the bead breaker. A simple trick to make this easier is using a ratchet tie-down strap. Just loop the strap around the wheel and hook both ends to the tire machine. Then, tighten it so the rim stays properly aligned with the bead breaker. With the strap holding everything in place, the bead breaker can easily do its job, breaking the bead and removing the remaining tire from the rim. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.